one. Now guys, compare the flights. Now guys, it's fine and dandy to just watch a rocket for enjoyment. I do that all the time. But scientists really observe and test things. Now look at these fins compared to mine. These are a lot bigger. They're different shape. Okay? This has a different amount of weight. This is not even nearly the weight. Now things that scientists test during a scientific experiment and they change is called the variables. So there's a lot of different variables here. One of them could be the amount of water I put in the chamber. So I'm going to try something here. I'm not even going to fill it halfway. I'm going to fill it a quarter of the way and put more air pressure in and see if that affects how high or low it goes. So there's going to be more air than water. And what I'm doing is I'm experimenting. Okay? You can change the variables. Okay? Let's try less water. I know, just try to pull it out. So guys, less water. Let's see what happens. More pressure, less fuel. Go ahead. Now, if I were to make a hypothesis, because I only put a little bit of water, would the rocket go higher or lower? I don't know. I might say I think it's going to go lower, because it doesn't have as much fuel. But my conclusion may be wrong at the end, and it may not support my hypothesis. So let's see what happens. Yeah.
What if we made a bigger rocket?
Although I've seen some rockets go real high with a little bit of water.
Mr. Wyatt, what if we made a rocket this big?
You could.
More fuel.
So a lot more air is going in, but not as much fuel. Guys, this one was built by a female. They're a good rocket scientist, females are.
What if it goes high? I think it was going lower. It's either higher or lower. I think it's going to go lower. Okay, everybody get ready. It's going to go higher.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heads up!
No, we didn't do this one yet.
Mr. Y, we didn't do this one yet.
Alright guys, Alec made this in first hour. So we're gonna see how his does. He's not gonna paint it yet.
Who's Alex? Look how bad that dented
Let me
is.
see. Let me
Wow.
fix it. Let me fix it. Watch out. Let me fix it.
Holy cow, that got dented a lot.
Get ready. Is it hard to pump it after a while?
There should be. I mean, there's a lot of pressure in it.
Guys, again, the variable changes different shape, different
What?
5 minutes you've been recording?
Yeah.
So we get to pump it if we have it. How heavy is that?
Not really that heavy.
He said it's heavy.
No,
This is heavier, I think.
really? No, it's a bit heavier than this, I think, but I'm not really sure about that.
God.
I want to watch your recording. 7 minutes. Jeez, so much.
Is he launching it?
It's Jews
I think. I'm not sure.
He's putting your weight down on it, right?
Yeah.
Do we have to put our feet down on it?
Oh yeah, I think you do.
That's all they could burst open on us. This would probably feel like a knife coming into you, but
Oh my god. Yeah. It's a bunch of cardboard. It's like a cardboard knife that just stabs you. A child murder weapon is cardboard.
I got a lot of air in that one.
Oh. A lot of air. Step back. Step back, people. Step back. And record it. And put it on YouTube.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight up.
Holy crap.
Oh, that was the highest yet. Wow, a female built that one. Hey guys, that's a woman rocket scientist built that.
that one was pretty high. Trick me, guys.
Okay.
I want you to look at this for a second.
That's pretty awesome, is that why?
Yeah, she did a nice job. You can see how you could use different materials at home to achieve your goals. She used an Easter egg. It's a plastic Easter egg that you buy at Easter. Okay, and then she used painter's tape to get these little chevrons in here. And you can see she's got a really solid, she hot glued the fins, and then she put some tape to hold them on. And I'll tell you, that's been the highest flight of the day. So there are females that are great rocket scientists, so don't think that you can't do this, ladies. Because in the spring, I let you guys build these on Friday. So if you're even thinking about it in the winter during Christmas break, start looking for bottles.
So, Mr.
Okay.
Wyatt, it doesn't have to be a tall rocket.
But you could experiment with that. Ray was
Exactly.
holding 3 together, and Ray said, Mr. Youngblood, I wonder if we can make a rocket this tall. He was over there saying, can we make a tall one? Look, you could cut these to be all together and linked together. I actually had a kid, they did like a 6-7 footer, and it went all right. It kind of turned off, but that's part of experimenting. Now, if you look at Alex, his